Putla ko pala. Putang ina. Skadaga, shall we? Hi, Soy. Hello, Skadaga. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Soy. Where are you from, Skadaga? Hello, Soy. How are you? Malaysia. Wow, you're from Malaysia. Okay, good to know. You're new here, right? I mean, you're new here in my life. Thank you so much for being so generous. Thank you, thank you. Rio, hello. Guys, if you wanna have fun, you can try this. Skadaga, if you're bored or, if you wanna have fun, you can try this, Skadaga. We have here jiggle, ice cream, sit face, twerk, pillow ride, and the lotion face. The jiggle is I'm going to stand up and then clap my ass or do a jiggle. And the ice cream is like this one. I'm going to lick on it like 5 times. Yeah, that's the ice cream. And the sit face is I'm going to put my phone on the floor and then I'm going to sit on it 2 times. And of course, the twerk is the twerking thing and the pillow ride, And the lotion face is I'm going to put some lotion on my face and then I'm gonna spread it in a sexy way. Hi, Shinky, Shari, manager, baby cakes. Thank you so much for being so generous. I need some lippy. Pwede ako paabot ng glasses ko dyan. Dun sa bag. Yan. I don't wanna be alone now. Hi, Trav.
Sino? Sorry.
Di ko na naman gusto yung hair ko.
Huggy. Hi, Huggy.
Ang putla ako, kailangan ko pa ng lipstick.
Anong klaseng ice cream?
Hindi, okay na siguro yan.
Ano?
Hi, Jesus!
Ililip ko lang yung parang kahit anong bagay. Tapos lilip ko lang. Ganun, pre. Tatry mo ba, pre? Try mo, pre.
Hindi, parang bet ko siya nakaganto. Tangina naman. Parang bruha. Skadaga! Pau-paul, salaw.
Ang pala ka naman.
Ay, Libine. Sabi na.
Aray mo.
Thank you so much. Here we go. I've been knowing you for long enough and
Hi, big love ka. Huggy.
Wait. Iisa na nga. Ayan.
How are you, Daddy?
Here we go. Ayan, sobrang ano. Alam mo, nakapanty na eh. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. Mystery Man. Joe, Jai, hello.
Anong dahil?
King.
Parang broken ba? Anong broken? Hindi ako broken. Tama.
King Ross. KPA, hello. Skadaga, would you like to try that work, Skadaga?
ID number.
I already follow you back.
How are you, Big Lord? Hi, JM. Bitches
Would you
and
like to
shit.
try that work, Skadaga?
Ah, okay. That's good.
Banley. Guys, if you want to have fun, you can try this, and also you can follow me on my Instagram.
I love me. Ano yun ah?
Hi, Dad. Hi, Aray.
Hindi ka naman nakapanood sa akin. I love me.
Mulawin.
I love you too.
Leo. Guys, if you want to have fun, you can try this, and also
Hi,
you can
Rana.
follow me on my Instagram.
Grabe naman yung pangalan mo. Hi, Tommy.
Piti Pew Pew. Hi, Daddy. How are you?
Majima. Majima lago. Nakakapanag na kay Dara. Mark Levin. Stevie.
Guys, follow me on my Instagram. Good, how are you? I'm good, Daddy. I just started my live,
Do a challenge.
and I just did the
Hi,
jiggle.
Joker.
Yes, I'm Pinay. I'm Pinay talaga. Kitang-kita sa ilong. Shadow dance. I don't do shadow dance because my friend Jilla, that's her content. I'm going to do the low shoot. Here we go. Wanna try something new,
Hi,
Daddy?
Tommy.
You wanna try something new?
It's not stupid.
Hey!
Hi, Sapta.
Let's finish the ano first. Asan yung ano? Pwede yun sa mo. Akin yan.
Ikaw? Tutulungan mo ka pag ikaw nagkatindi ako.
Ano ba yung ano sunscreen mo? Thank you so much, Daddy. Wait, I'm going to choose a music.
Ano mga laro ang ginagawa mo? Wala.
Pwede na yan po. Yung ina.
Dito lang, dito lang. So, dito sa office mo.
Right. Ano magandang ano? Wait.
Mega.
Ano nga yan? Wait, I'm going to choose the perfect music for that. Na ano ko yun eh? Yung ano pinatugtog ko nung last. Wait.
Excuse me.
I want the I want a perfect,
Music.
no, not this one. Not please me. Confident, no. Sure thing, no.
Tony. Hi, Fluffy.
Oh, never mind. This one. Okay. Music not suits on the, you know. I like, but
Hi, Mar.
I like it, but I like twerking more.
Hi, Arnold.
Okay, let's do it. I will show you my outfit first, Daddy. So you have an idea how bouncy my outfit is, okay?
We want some pussy.
Pop that ass, drop that ass, get that cash, make that bag, make it splash. Swallow the drink and she sipping it fast. Gas on your bitch and I press on the
Pura.
gas.
Hi,
Bitch bad, body
Pura.
bad. She bounce on my dick and she do it no hands. Fuck up the ceiling, I'm throwing up bands. My bitches is naughty, they curvy and grimy. They step on a nigga and make a deposit.
Fuentes! Oh, I forgot. Skada drop. Wait.
All on my face.
I need to do the jiggle first.
She call me Superman, no.
This
How
is
are you,
for
Mar?
you, Skada.
Uy, liwanag. Where are you from, Mar? You're like a zombie.
Thank you so
Hi,
much.
Elijah.
Happy Jake, The Wallet,
Revolver.
Khaled, Master G, Ghost, Jitria, Mr. Vern, Otap,
I love
JM
you.
Kim, David, Andy, shall we guys? Thanks for staying here.
Hi, Gal.
If you wanna have fun, you can try this. Thank you, Daddy.
ID number.
Okay, here we go. Mamaya.
Hi,
Utang ina
Zach.
naman eh. Wait, I need to change my... Dito ka. Gulo dyan. Doon ka sa kabila. Here we go. Hindi ko alam saan. Dito mo ilagay. Matungan ko.
Kung mga ano din sa labas.
Okay, here we go. Ano, bakit gumagalaw? Ano mo nga? Close mo. Ano dito? Kasi nagalaw. Again.
Hi, RM. Why is it so light? Thank you, Daddy. Ano? Di ko alam. Wala dito. Di ko alam. Labas na.
Ay, muna ka dyan. Wala dyan.
Hi, Riz. Ruel. How are you, Riz?
Ay, ko pala yung ganito.
Clap. Make it clap. Oh, I'm good too.
Gusto ko na ganun.
Daddy T.
Kasi ng space.
Oh, you miss me. I miss you too, Riz. You really miss me, but you don't make me twerk.
Wala yung babe ka. Thank you so much, Daddy. I hope you like it. Laba. Guys, love it.
No, it's
Thank you
okay.
so much.
Hi, Tony.
Guys, I'm not tired. Make me tired, guys. Drop 500 for more twerks. I'm not tired.
Hi, Jay.
If you want me to do something, you need to drop
Drop
this.
ka muna bago pakita, ha?
Make me do sit face, guys. Sit face is so worth it. Yeah. Make me do sit face for only 300. I'm going to sit 2 times.
Oh, me one.
Nasa yung babe ko? Tungo ko na wala. Check mo nga dyan. Totoo ba?
Saan mo nalagay?
Dito ko na nilagay yun.
Hi, RM. Daddy.
Ah, you drop for sit face. Okay, here we go. Up ka na. Goose? I know who are you. You're Shadow King. Okay, thank you, Daddy. Okay, here we go. I forgot where I put my vape, bra.
Friends.
Isod ka ng konti.
Saan mo kaya nalagay yun? Guys, if you wanna have fun, you can try it. Yeah. Hi, Jen. Boss car. Anong gagawin mo ngayon? Ewan ko, pag may magda-drop, ay may gagawin tayo.
Thank you so much, Daddy. I hope you like it.
Aww. That's so
Fuck,
sweet.
where's my vape?
Okay,
Wait, I need to get my vape. Vape ko. Ina kanina ko pa hinahanap eh. Papansin.
Yesterday, because I slept.
Do you like it, Daddy? Do you like it, Daddy, or not?
Saan?
Do you like it or not? I hope you like it. I just did my best.
Hi, Tony.
No, not you. I'm asking Broken Beer Class. Diwalid, hello. You're so quiet naman, Diwalid. Skadaga, what's up? Mr. Vern, thanks for following, guys. Guys, if you wanna have fun, you can try this, and also you can follow me on my Instagram. You should try it, guys. It's all worth it. You can ask Mr. Broken Beer Class because he always try all of this. Oh, why are you shy, Diwalid? Don't be shy. Tita. Thank you so much, Kurt.
Sunog na yung
Don't be shy, guys. You can talk to me anytime. You want more? You have to drop. Sorry. I don't do sample or free. Thank you so much, Kurt. Thank you so much, Kurt. Yeah, I'm with Naya. Oh, you're nervous? Nah, it's okay. How about ice cream, guys? You can try the ice cream. Ice cream, the pillow ride, the yeah, I already did the lotion. Or you can challenge me anything. I'm going to Naya. She needs the shakes today. Okay, go ahead,
Yeah.
Daddy. Broken beer
Broken.
class.
Beer class.
Class.
Class. Ang galing.
Fred, hi. Diwalid, would you like to try this? I don't do shadow dance, babe.
Ay, putang ina.
You drop, guys, 1K for the pillow ride.
Hirap. JM. Hi, JM. Hi, Broken.
Papi Chulo. Diwalid, would you like to try this? Don't miss it, babe.
Lumig. Thank you, Broken.
Okay.
Broken.
Okay, I will do the shadow dance but on Insta.
Wait.
Twat, twat. Huh? Okay, message me on my Instagram and we can talk about it, Jet Rio. Dr. Rock, shall we? Hi, Skadaga. Welcome back.
Abang ko.
How many kiss me is that? Woo! Thank you so much, Skadaga. Thank you so much. I will do the shadow dance, guys, but in Insta. I can't do it here because that let's say that's my friend's
Thank you,
content,
Broken.
okay? That's my friend's content and I can't
Hi
steal
there.
it from her. But since you want me to do it, then
Thank you
yeah.
so much. Broken. I love it. Hope you like it, Broken. Hope you like it.
I told you, Jet Rio, just message me on my Instagram and we can talk about it. Norman.
Thank you
Here's
so
my
much,
Instagram,
Broken.
so you can message and follow me on my Instagram
Broken,
anytime.
can you make me do a
Master
ice
G,
cream?
hi Luther.
Make me do ice cream, Broken. She's my cousin, guys.
How about pillow ride, guys? I can do pillow ride on call. Oh, thank you so much, Skadaga. You're so generous. Just one time, baby. What do you mean, just one time?
Alex.
Okay, message me on my Insta right now, and then I will check it. I will respond
Thank
as soon as
you.
possible.
Okay.
By the way, Skadaga, you should message me on my Insta too. And please let me know your name. Please
Music na ng
introduce your
ano,
name.
pang ano birthday sex. Wait. Ice cream lang.
You know, si Anna Broken?
Mm.
Okay, wait.
Okay, wait. Speaking of music.
Pwede hindi na ano?
Yan na.
No, I will not do it here, Jet Rio. It's so risky. Skadaga, I will wait for your message.
Thank you so much. Oh
Please.
my god, I might get suspicious, so I need to.
Skadaga, message me on Instagram. You just message me like, hi, it's me, Skadaga. Like
My
that.
sister, I don't have a sister. I only have a cousin.
Wait lang. Ang inang buhay to. It's... Wait, let me check. Where? It's... Oh my god, there's a lot of message requests, you know? I can't check it one by one. I can. If you want me, I want you want me. Tonight.
I'm back. Sorry.
Wait, let me check it one by one.
But hope you liked it, Broken.
Wait. Oh, here. Wait, I'm just checking for your
Hi
messages,
from
guys.
Thailand.
How
Did
old
you
are
like
you,
it?
Skadaga?
Broken Bear Plus.
How old are you?
Yanni.
You look young. How old are you?
She's live. She's on live here at Bigo too. Bigo also.
Yeah, I'm asking, how old are you?
Okay.
Until I Woo! I'm only 21. Good to know. Tonight. Wait, let me reply first. Yeah. Open first.
Thank you so much. Oh my god.
So hard.
Yo underscore Zai. Hi John Doe. Thank you so much. Broken
Wait.
Ivy.
Alex Wayne.
Bigo ID, I told you. Yo underscore. I love how you cross your eyes. Yeah. Thank you.
Wait, I'm just responding.
It's an ahigaw thing. Sayawi ko my love.
Sino ba to?
Sayo ko tada. I love niya. Baya niya. Si I love niya na siya. Sayawi ko my love. Cebu, Philippines.
Di mo na halata?
Hindi ah. Tama, hindi yan siya.
Ayan.
Hmm. Ayan. Can you do
Wait,
it
guys,
on your
I'm
knees?
just
What do you
checking
mean?
your messages.
Big boy. Ano can you do it on your knees?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Twerk?
Ahigaw on your knees.
Ah, nakaganon.
I don't know if I can reach my knees. Oh my god, I don't know.
Hi,
The
Kurt.
fuck? I don't know. My knees are
Short.
short. I don't know. My knees are short. I'm sorry. Like, look. Oh my god. Here? I can do it. Lol, I'll tell you later. Ah, okay. Okay, it's not it.
Oh my god, there's a lot of messages. While
Sayuin
I'm replying on this message, if you wanna have fun, you can just drop the GIF, okay? And then when I see it you
Jiggle ka
drop,
nga.
I will do it, of course.
Jiggle. Wait.
Boss Ed!
Jiggle.
Boss Ed, kamusta? Kamustas?
Basta.
Kamustas? Kamustas? Wait. Ah, hindi to.
Ayan.
Wait. Ito. Hintayin mo. Long time nga eh. Gusto naman ang buhay-buhay, Boss Ed. Nalala mo pa ba ako?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Boss Ed naman dyan. Kamusta ka? Si Boss Ed. Ikaw nga nang nagsabi nun. Uy, English yan si Broken Bear Claws. Dharma.
Riz! Thank you, Skadaga naman. Tumo ba yan? Hindi mo ba ako naloloko? Saan na kayo na tayo lahat? Ulul!
Oo,
Guys.
patas niyo ako.
Eto, this is my IG. This is my Instagram. So, kung nagre-reply ako sa inyo, ako yun, okay? Ako yun.
Oo man siya. Tony.
Boss Ed! Palambing ako 100. Ready ka, try mo na lang to, Boss Ed. Hindi ako mag-iingay. What's this?
Hi, Daddy. Welcome back.
Boss Ed, try mo na to, Boss Ed. Dakot naman na ito.
Broken cherries. Bakit ang daming broken dito? Broken bear claws, broken cherries. Heart.
Skadaga, welcome back. I'm just waiting for you guys to send some gift, you know.
Hi, Malik. Thank you, Broken. Wait.
Malak, hello.
Twerk mo. Ay, sorry. Twerk. Ayan.
Anong twerk?
Kapag kahit ano.
Body nga.
Ano, bigidib. Ay, hindi. Yan na. Wait lang ulit. Wait na.
Sensei!
Sa trabaho.
Oo.
Thank you so much. I love it. Hope you liked it. Again. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Broken.
Skadaga, man!
Thank you, RM. Make me do a challenge, RM. Really, thank you. I love it when I get tired. I can't at the moment. Okay, I understand.
Baratimur, hello! Hi, Broken!
Hi, sir. Barating more, Sally. Rayan. Anong challenge ang ginawa mo, ate? Twerk. Twerk. ID number.
Dr. Khalil. Wow.
Try more, guys, if you want. Try it and you will see. Believe it and you will see.
Hi, Ray.
Juicy. Hi, Franco. Sino si may naglalakad na? Hi lang.
Nito yung juice. Hi, Daddy.
Wait, guys. Yan. I love it and it's good.
Wait. That's my brother. That's my brother. Look, we have the same face.
Boss LD.
It looks like lesbian. There's a lot of people say that it looks lesbian.
Hi, Poggy.
Kuya, can you go outside because Nea and I were going to twerk. Wait. Alex Win. Long time. Why you call me? Huh? What? I didn't call you. I'm busy.
Thank you.
Hindi, sabay tayo nun. Sabi ko
Sabay.
sa akin.
Okay. Ano? Sa iisang ano?
Oo. Hindi, kami dalawa si Bongo. Okay, wait.
Apple
I
jam.
need them to go outside. Ay, dito na lang.
Tiger.
Here. Let's see if...
Sa
It's
ano
okay.
mo? Account.
Yeah. Try it. Tayo ka nga dito.
Wait
Here
lang.
on my live or on her live too? You just watch here, Daddy?
Oh!
On yours. Okay.
Ah,
We're going to do it individual. Because, maybe... No.
free speed.
Anong ano natin?
Ito. Yan na lang. Deliver rounds.
This one? This is my favorite.
Favorite.
Are you done?
Paano sabay?
Dito daw sa live ko.
Sige. Wait. Sakit na lang dito. Katang ina. Di na sanay.
Magkano ka na?
Ewan ko. Magkano?
2-1. Ako 3-7.
Tang ina.
4-2 na pala. Okay, let's go.
Sige na. May.
Nasaan si Nea? Ano? Ako na.
Sige.
I will dance first.
One by one?
Pwedeng sabay, kaso hindi
Hindi
tayo
tayo
kasha.
makasya.
Because my space here is so
Little.
small, so we can do it one by one.
Unsa? Wait.
Yes,
Buwi. Ano na, litod to?
Okay, wait first. Da. Pwede lang. Ito ba?
Oo.
Gago ba natin? Yeah. Pangit yan. Next. Sige. Ano kayo? Ito na naman. Food! Ay, mamaya. May padugtong. Maba pa yan. Go. Baka mag-adjust. Dito lang. Dito lang sa taas.
Yeah. Thank you. Sorry, ko ulit. Dito ko muna. It's okay.
I'm back, Father Packer. Skadaga. Oh my God.
Bali mo diri. Ito yun. Yung sa maka-I love niya. Ay. Taga Cebu. O kaila sa tiil. Atay eh. Kaya hindi siya na-ban. Suspicious lang pero babalik na. Tupe. Love at stream.
Magia nesse popô, ele não para de balançar. Ritmo contagiante, original do dançar. Gata mentirosa, deixa de luz.
Grabe naiinitan ako pero okay lang. Masarap naman. Imposter. 404 not found. Di mo na ako magpapa-up. Kakasimula ko pa lang eh. Papa-oras ako.
Hi, Mon. Alex Win. Would you like to try this, Alex Win? Alex
Yeah,
Win,
I
you
love
miss
my
a
hair
lot of
now.
challenge, you know?
Alam mo yun. Para makilala
You
mo
miss
ako.
a lot,
Sino ka ba?
Alex. Ano daw sabi?
Sabi niya, up mo ako para makilala mo ako. Yung I love you mo.
Litre mo.
Sige, wait. Pag ikaw, di ko kilala. Tama.
Ay,
Tagasang ka?
tagasip ko.
Ano pa nga?
Kamera ko?
Sige. Parang familiar yung mukha mo. Familiar.
Hi,
Kamukha
Zaddy,
kang,
Alex
papa ko.
Winjo. Hello.
Hindi.
How are you guys?
I-disconnect muna kita kasi nagla-live pa ako eh. Nood ka na lang. Ha? Mamaya na lang. Kakastart ko pa lang kasi mag-live.
What do you mean, Alex, that I called you? I didn't call you.
Big load coming. Make me do a
Bakit ako
challenge.
last Mondays? Ano ang last
Ah, you still there? Or,
Wait.
oh, nakilala mo ba
Ray, hello.
taga Cebu ka? Taga
Alex,
Cebu din
would you
ako
like to
eh.
try this,
Bisaya
Alex?
din ako. Are you at work? Hi, Planet Leo. Are you not afraid that your boss will call you, like, using phone? Saan sa Cebu? Secret, ikaw saan ka sa
Bawal mo
Cebu?
muna.
Hi, Zaddy.
Bawal mo muna.
Ah, you're off. Oh, all your times. Oh, you will spend time with me, right? Ikaw muna. Basta, doon ako something sa ano. Basta. Yes, babe. Yeah. Don't go. Don't leave me. I'm gonna reach my, kata. I want to spend my time with you.
Kadaga!
Alam mo, English ang bata. Magbisaya daw eh. Di ko, wa po makasabot na to diri pare kay ang uban diri mga mga Tagalog, uban mga English, alam mo naman. Di ako pwedeng magbisaya lang. Secret yung ba my day? Have you eaten na, Abby? Konti kasi right now.
And, yeah.
Diskarte ba?
AI world, hello.
Edo.
What?
Asan school?
Yeah. Jojo! Ano na? Pinatikim mo lang ako ng 100 yung nakaraan ha. Kaloka ka ha. Di mo na
Senior
inulit.
high school ko, Southwestern.
Kahit ulitin mo lang ngayon, Jo. Jo, ano na? Pagod ka na?
Ha? Anong
Puff. PUFF?
PAP? Tinanong ko kasi siya, saan siya nag-school? Sabi niya, Pop.
Philippines Administration, Philippines. Hi,
Second
Ray.
course
Kilua.
Ah, okay.
Boss Love, Kiko yan.
Professional academia.
Guys, if you want me to do a challenge, you drop
May ganun
this.
ba?
And you can follow me on my Insta. You should drop it now because I'm
Sabi
magkakaroon.
na. Professional Academy of the Philippines. Ay, ganun ba?
I'm not sure.
PAP? Ko lang yun ah. Alam ko lang, Southwestern, UC.
Kurt!
UCP.
Hello!
Dapit sa Skina Toledo. Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi ko kabisado kasi.
Ano? Professional.
Ah, okay. Pero hindi ko na ano.
Saan yun? A professional academic. Ano?
Academy. Professional Academy of the Philippines. May aeroplano. Ha? Not familiar with it.
Sheen! Why, Christian?
Daddy, do you have 100 at least?
I'm going to end now because no one's
Uy,
dropping.
I love Nia. Mag-drop ka naman. Hi, Sam. Bunga. I love Nia. Mag-RC ka naman. Mag-drop ka naman dito kahit 100 lang. Hi, Bunga. How are you?
I'm going to use a red light. Yeah.
Oh,
Red light is
where are you
better.
from, Bunga?
Wait, gonna choose a music for the...
I'm from my mom. What? I'm in your country. Where are you from? Where do you live? Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Ate! Esnabero.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Mr. JP.
Di mo sure, JP, hello. Rico Rico.
Hope you like my twerk. Baby Gina.
Andres.
Alex me.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what Filipinos
Ano?
are.
Ay, magkasama pala. Nino.
That's what Filipinos are.
Nino. Kiko
Very
yan.
good at dancing, singing, you know.
No more last drop, guys. I'm going to end in 4 minutes. I know. Oh, yeah, 4 minutes.
Order calamari, said she want the fettuccine pasta.
Pwede na kaya ito makapag-ano sa akin yung may photo ng
Ano level ka na ba?
19. Di pa, 20 pa na. Guadalupe, hindi.
No, I can't do pillow ride here.
Pero wala ako sa Guadalupe. Ay, wala ako sa Philippines. Ay, sa Philippines. Wala ako sa Cebu kayo.
Bigo too.
Karon.
Guys, why are you about to end your live stream? Because
Na ako sa Manila.
no one
Batangas.
wants to drop for a challenge except Jadriel.
Hi, homie.
So if you want me to do this, just drop the gift that's indicate the
Daddy.
challenge because I'm going to end in 4 minutes. Yeah.
Hindi, kamputaw din. Pungit! Hi, Chuck. Shuk. Kugon Ramos. Layuan mo eh.
Because
Basta secret.
if I end my live right now with just for 57 minutes, it will not recorded on my live data. So I just need to reach 1 hour before I end.
Planet Leo.
Last guys, 3 minutes. I'm going to end. Just try
Ano
this.
si View? Hindi. Saan yun? Love you. Touch the cutie. Hi, JD. Hello. Cebu Doctors na JD. Basta ay nalagpong na eh. Ate,
Metehan, hello. How about Alex Win? You don't want to try this?
10 out of 10.
Because I'm going to end in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, I'm going to end. So, you need to drop this as soon as possible. Nasaan yung isa? Nagla-live. Nagla-live sa sarili niyang sa sarili niyang account.
Krusty Krab. Hi, where's SpongeBob?
No name, Rick.
Hi, Kat. Wala ko yung Facebook na akong i-activate. Totropahin. Drop ka muna, jojoain kita. Support mo ba? Wala lang, feel ko lang. Na-delete ko na din yung Instagram. Ay, na-delete din yung Instagram ko. Really,
1 minute. I'm going to end in 1 minute.
Arte ha. Atay ha. Ako pa'y arte. Hi, Narita. O, biwan. Di ko kayo mo hanggang nag-arte. Ala ka diya. Hi, Carlvin. ID number. Ryan. Sorry, my love. Atay, my love eh.
Okay, I'm going to end now since no one's dropping. Hi,